Are you thinking about buying or selling a home in the Greater Toronto or Brampton area? Then you must stay tuned to watch this video to find out what's happening in the local market. If you watch and enjoy this video, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please drop a comment down below, as well as please don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos on real estate advice, news, as well as market updates. Hey, it's Mohini here. Let's get right to the residential recap for November of 2022. Home sales of 4,544 was a decrease of 49.4% compared to last year this time. The average selling price of $1,079,395 compared to last year's $1,162,564 was a drop of 7.2%. The new listings this year of 8,880 was a decrease of 11.6% compared to last year's 10,044. The number of active listings was 11,910 this year compared to 6,086 last year. That's an increase of 95.7%. The sales to new listings this year decreased by 38% to 51% compared to last year's 89%. The property days on the market this year was 33 compared to 18 last year. That's an increase of 83.3%. The listing days on the market was 22 compared to 13 from last year. That's an increase of 69.2%. Generally speaking, as interest rates continue to rise, the home sales have dropped in the GTA and Brampton area by 49%. Generally speaking, less expensive condos and townhouses tended to hold their value much more than semis and detached. The average selling price dropped by roughly about $10,000 last month. Because the supply of homes has remained relatively low, the average selling price has hovered somewhere around 1.08 to 1.09 since August of 2022. There has been some progress this year in terms of the housing supply, as well as governmental policies such as the More Homes Built Faster Act. However, with the accelerated population, we'll have to see how these impact homeowners. Selling prices declined from the early year peak as market conditions became more balanced and home buyers found new ways to mitigate the impact of the higher interest rates. The downward price trend in the springtime has largely come to an end, and selling prices have flattened alongside monthly mortgage payments since the summer. So what does this all mean for you? Well, if you already own a home and you plan to trade up or down, it may not affect you that much, because if you buy high, you're also going to sell high. If you buy low, you're also going to sell low. So therefore, it'll probably be a pretty balanced situation for you. To help you out, you can check out my latest blog post, The 7 Tips to Maximize Your Home Sales Price. It's in the link below. If you're a buyer, it's the perfect time to buy. Take advantage of those lower home prices. All you need to do is to mitigate those higher interest rates. Check out my latest blog post, 8 strategies to secure a lower mortgage rate, to help you out. For more resources on buying or selling a home in the Greater Toronto and Brampton area, go ahead and check out my new Home Seller's Guide as well as my Home Buyer's Guide. I'll leave the links below and you can download a printable copy. If you are thinking about selling this year or buying, please drop me a comment below or reach out directly to get in touch with me.